Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. There are more job vacancy and advertisement video on SF. It are not is invitations or developments agency NEIDA as a job vacancy. NEIDA is seeking highly qualified and capable candidates for the following post. Applicants should possess a deep understanding of the traditional stone, loom, its functionings and textile technology. They should also have the capacities to educate weavers on the enchants, both quality and productions professionals which experience in traditional textile crafts are especially encouraged to apply. Cell number, job title, number of positions, qualification. Number 1. Project associated. Number 1. Thames Textile Design 1. Postgraduate degree in textile design from NFT NED, minimum A, minimum of 0 to 2 years of work experience as designer or textile design, prefer preferences and design software, E, Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, CAD, high understandings of fabrics technology and strong portfolio. Number 2. Cluster coordinators. Number 2. Dams Headlooms. Graduate PG diploma in fashion designing textile preferable for IIT, NFT, NED or similar type of institutions. A minimum of 1 years of work experience in productions management, training delivers or involvements in craft base is also desirable. Should be aware of looms and their functions and working knowledge of how to operate it and the capacity to direct and educate weavers on how best the looms can produce the best quality and productions. Number 3. Assistant Trainer 1. Thames Head Looms. Graduate PGD diploma in the fashion designing and machinist textile preferable for IIT, NFT or similar types of institutions, at least 1 of hands-on experience in trainings on military experience previously and craft-based incentives and deep knowledge of various looms techniques, looms operations and textile materials, possess a strong understanding of both productions and business managements. Job posting for CL number 1 to 3. Kohima, Nagaland, which extensive travel across the states for serial number 2 to post fake mocktunes and parents. Salary will be competitive and self which experience. Application producer please emails a detailed CV to job digital by 15 June 25. Clear mentioning the post serial number you are applying for. Notes 1. Shortlist candidates will be conducted for next stage of the selection process. Number 2. Those applying for government jobs awaiting results are discouraged from applying. এইটো কোৱা আছে কাৰণে পোষ্ট তিনিটা আছে তপনিখান জলদি কোনে এইটো পাই ল'বি আৰু বেছি ভাল আছে আচলতে বেছি ভাল নিচিনা আছে তপনিখান কণ্টেক্ট কৰি ল'বি খুব এতিয়াতো আছাম ৰাইফলছ পাব্লিক স্কুল ডিমাপুৰ নাগালেণ্ড দিয়া আছে আছাম ৰাইফল ট্ৰেইনিং চেণ্টাৰ স্কুল vacancy for the facility staff din ase 1. Written first interviews will be conducted on June 25 as artisans Dimapur 3 males Kohima din ase rates to fill up the following vacancy. Post real number of vacancies, qualification PGT mathematics 1. Point number 1, postgraduates mathematics MADs BD from recognized universities. Number 2, salary 18,000 PM dinner sale. Grade 4 Agria. Vacancy 1. Cell number 1 for followings after the chair and cleaners of the schools, etc. Number 2, salary 7,000 PM dinner sale. Number 2, candidates who are willing to work in Assam Rifles Public School, Dimapur, only to apply or before 1725 address of schools official correspondence is as under OC Asafal Public School Dimapur RTS 3 miles Kohima Road Dimapur Nagaland Dinase pin code Dinase 797115 Number 3 for any queries please contact number Dinase or email Dinase. Number 4 all expenses will be borne by the candidates themselves. Number 5 pay and perfect will be as per prevailing scales and comparable institution Dinase. Next, point number 1 all candidates are required to show PAN cards, UIDs or any other valid identity cards. Point number 2 candidates are required to apply only through offline applications along with supporting documents must be submitted in hard copy in the school office. No online application will be submitted in আছে আপুনি খান কন্টেক্ট কৰি ল'বি আৰু এইটো বেছি ভাল এটা আছে আৰু এইটো আশা ভাল আছে আৰু আপুনি খান মোলা ভিডিঅ' খুচি পালে প্লিজ লাইক এণ্ড সাবস্ক্ৰাইব এণ্ড শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি দিবি